Hello everyone, welcome to our CATIA automation sessions. My name is Mansu Kim. I'm working for Imperial Solution as a automations consultant. So today's content is about how to use the parameter as an input for the template. Okay, so I prepared several cases. So with this is a template, and I will instantiate this template in the surface. So, but we will look around the middle transom location or count. So I will show you the first case. So the first case, we have the skeleton, and we have some list of the surface that we want to use as input. And this surface, actually we added some parameters to want to control the transom height. So the parameters will be used in the template. Here we have the template here. So template here as an input. So these parameters will be updated by the input parameters. Then the behavior looks like this. So you have the transom height, and you can increase transom height by these string parameters. And so we have update parameters like this. So after instantiate, the reaction will be activate, and without running this script, it will be update automatically later. But for now, the important thing part is that we use this parameter as a configuration of this product. So I will just return, and we're gonna save. Okay, and save. So the case one is that we register that template as a engineering template that we can use that script into our automations. So register logical name is this one, and the resource is here. So I just open the resource how we defined as a template, edit the assigned resource, and we look at the inputs. So in this time, our input is one surface, and when you look at the parameter tabs, I register this parameter name as a transom height. So I can use this name while instantiating the template. So this is the engineering template look alike. Then let's try to run. So when you run the action, okay, this is we got the result here. We instantiate part. Well, it depends on the complexity. It can be assembly later, but for now it's a part. And directly this, when you look at the details, so look here. So this parameter is changed in this case 1000 to 1000. So this 1000 to 1000 came from the second surface. So we have the first and the second surface, and the value is here 1000 to 1000. And in the case 1, we used as a parameter, not as an object. So this is not linked from the original skeleton. So you can freely configure after instantiate. So no longer have a link between the skeleton and this template. So such as like this. So this is first case. And the second case is that in this time we want to connect the this parameter in the template. So we will link between that, and we can configure this parameter to control the instantiated templates. Okay, so in this time, let's look at the engineering template. What is the different? Right click and edit the assigned resource. The difference between previous one is that in this time we use this parameter as an input, not in the parameter tabs. So this parameter treat as an object, not the value. Okay, so you need to use the evaluate point in your script. So so we didn't register any parameters. So let's start all same. So let's come back to the model. So let's look at. Let's learn on the automation here. So where they are is here. So let's like this, and let's run. Now template is instantiated. Then let's look at the same same model. So here's we have input surface, and the parameters is now disappear, but actually it's transfer here external parameter since it's connected from the skeleton level. So now you cannot modifying yourself unless you isolate the link. So now this parameter is controlled from the skeleton level. So let's access the skeleton, and we know this part we want to modify, and you can modify here. Let's change 500. Maybe we can add more like this. Then once you change we need to update in the assembly level. So this parameter will be linked here. I will update this parameter, and will generate updating the location and the count of the middle transom. I prepared another case. It's very similar like case 2, but you can also control the one parameter to control all the height altogether. So in this case, So in this case, I didn't put the parameter here under the object. When you put the parameter under the object, that means the parameter is the attribute of this object. Then now we want to control all together from here as a parameter. So I use the same engineering template. The only script a little bit changed. So let's look at the script. Let's learn the automation. So in this time, all the transom heights and count will be same because we control by the one parameter. So instanted template is same as linked, but not under the parameters that linked under the object, but another place from here. So let's try to modify. Double clicks your parameter, and let's try making one count and 2000 height. Same as the case 2. You need to update in the product level. So the parameters will be update and regenerate. So like this. So it depends on your project use case. You can select and the different case and the different method. Thank you for watching for today, and if you have any question, let me know.